Hi everyone, welcome back to Hein Academy, and in this video we are going to solve the third problem in finding the x-intercepts of the graph of the quadratic equation using zero product property. And if you haven't checked out two other problems before this video, I will put the link in the descriptions, and also I'll put the links at the top right corner and also at the end of this video so that you can check out more problems on zero product property after watching this tutorial. For this problem, we have y is equal to x minus 8 times 4x minus 12. So x-intercepts are the points where the graph cuts through the x-axis. So here is y-axis and here is x-axis. So if the graph cuts through x-axis at these 2 points, these 2 points are known as x-intercepts. So at x-intercepts, there is x value, but y value is always 0. And here as well, there is x value and y value is always 0. Because if you pick any point on this line, y is always 0. Because on this axis, it's also known as y is equal to 0. The concept is, at x-intercepts, y is always 0. So we're going to use that concept. So y is equal to 0 and x minus 8 times 4x minus 12. So here we are multiplying two variables and the result should be equal to 0. So by using zero product property, then either this variable has to be equal to 0. So the first variable a has to be 0, or variable b has to be equal to 0 to satisfy the equation. So x minus 8 is equal to 0, or 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So plus 8 on both sides to cancel negative 8. So we have x is equal to 8, or we have plus 12 on both sides. Then we have 4x is equal to 12 on the right side, and then divided by 4 on both sides. That will have x is equal to 3. 4 times 1 and 4 times 3. So we have two values, x equal to 8 and x equal to 3. Those 2 points are where the graph cuts through the x-axis. So in terms of coordinates, that would be 3, 0 and 8, 0. These are the 2 points that cuts through the x-axis, and they are called x-intercepts. That's it. Solution solved. I hope it helps, and if you want more practice, I will put the link in the descriptions on zero product property, so you can go check after watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.